In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list vintage items on Depop 2025 step by step. First, make sure you're logged in at Depop.com. Being signed in ensures your listing saves properly and that you can access all seller tools. Once you're on the site and in your account, head to the Create Listing area and click Sell Now. This opens the product form where you'll add everything buyers need to know. Start by selecting your photos. Choose clear, well-lit images with a clean background. Include the front, back close-ups of any special details, the size tag, fabric tag, and any flaws. Natural lighting helps colors look true, and multiple angles build buyer confidence. If the piece has a standout feature, like a unique print, single-stitch hem, or a maiden label, make sure that's captured in a close-up. Next, enter your description. Keep it honest, specific, and searchable. Name the item and mention the era or style influence if you know it, such as 90s, Y2K, or 70s boho. Share fabric content if available, the labeled size, and actual measurements like chest, length, waist, and inseam. Note the fit, color, and how it can be styled. Most importantly, disclose any wear or imperfections, things like fading, small holes, or repaired seams. Clear details, reduce questions and returns. Choose the most accurate category so the item lands in the right place on Depop and shows up in filters. Then select the brand. If the brand is known, enter it so collectors can find it more easily. If it's a lesser known or boutique label, still include what's on the tag, as it helps authenticity and search. Select the condition. Be conservative here. Options typically range from new or like new to good or fair. Match your choice to the actual wear you disclosed in your description. Buyers appreciate transparency, especially with vintage. Use the highlight field to call out what makes the piece special. Think keywords that shoppers search for, such as Y2K, dead stock, made in USA, single stitch, or reworked. This is your moment to spotlight the unique value fast. Open the source field and choose vintage. Marking the item as vintage helps it surface in the right searches and sets accurate expectations for age and wear. Finally, decide whether to publish now or save as a draft. Drafts are great if you want to double check details later. Publishing makes the listing live immediately. Review your photos and wording one last time, then you're done. Happy selling and enjoy finding the perfect home for your vintage piece.